this model is better, very big, more bigger than before.
Okay, let us check. Okay, now it's okay. ابو علي، استاذ انور.
عيني صار.
طالع عندك صغيرونه البرزنتيشن مالتها؟
لا طالع عندي اف، جاي اشوف صورتها الكم مالتها، والثانيه برزنتيشن مالتها اف اللي يمكن حرف مال اسمها.
قاعد انا شلون جاي يطلع عندي؟
ما ادري، عم جاي اشوف صورتك ويشوف الطلاب.
زين، خل ادخل من التليفون.
راح اعطيك لك صوره، شوف الشاشه.
لا انت مو قلت لك ادخل من تليفونك بغير حساب؟ مشكلة صار ما يشوفوني. ما راح نوديهم، ما راح نوديهم. مو هذول حسب عيشه. استاذ انور، تسمعني؟ هسه ظاهر عندي انت شنو مسوي؟
انا عندي انترفيس من التليفون، بس جاي اشوف صورتك.
انا جاي اشوف يا اخي بالتليفون، جاي اشوف باللابتوب جاي اشوف. عين ان شاء الله.
احنا علمناهم طبعا والله.
لا انا افهمش بعدين الشغله من يم الاداريه، والله من يم الدكتور احمد الاداريه. عيني استاذ انور.
وياك استاذ.
انت مسوي شير لو هي الدكتوره؟
انا ما مسوي شيء، كل شيء ما مسوي بعد مثل ما انت شلون، بس هي البرزنتيشن مالتها ما جاي اشوفها. صورتها اشوفها هي هسه تقوم تقعد.
لا البرزنتيشن من يم البرزنتيشن اكو صوره صغيره جاي تطلع، مو هي مسويه فول مود، فصوره تلقاها ويا الصور، يعني عندها اثنين، هي صورتها
استاذ احنا
تضغط عليها وتسوي بين، تضغط عليها تسوي بين،
تسوي شير على قد الشاشه. هي انا جاي اشوف مسوي شير ويا صوره ويا ايمج.
اي على قد الشاشه.
البارحه نفس الشيء، بس بعدين قدرنا نفوت ونسوي شير ويا الشاشه كلها.
هسه ماكو مشكله، الشاشه ظاهره. انا عندي متابعه طبعا وتركتها، هسه ما ادري لسه جاي يخبرون علي. دخل الطلاب، ليش ماكو طلاب لي هسه؟
جاي يفوتون؟
وين اكو بس 5 ماكو.
يعني جاي يعطيهم اذن يفوتون. هسه يجي جاي يفوت، هذا اجى علي احمد.
Excuse me, everything is okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, Dr. Faezeh. But please present your PowerPoint.
Okay.
هسه انا اشوفها على شكل شاشه صغيره.
Maximize it. اوكي. باوع تشوفه على شكل شاشه صغيره، تضغط عليها وتسوي لها بين. تضغط على الشاشه الصغيره وتسوي لها بين.
Is it okay? Is it visible, my slide?
Yeah, everything is okay, madam. Just keep it like this. Whenever you want to start, just shift the slides.
Okay.
Keep it like this. Now the second slides. It's okay.
Okay, second slide.
Yeah,
I think everything is okay.
Everything is
Thank
okay.
you very much.
Right. استاذ انور.
يا عيني.
مو عندك طالعه صغيرون اخوي؟
اي شفتها، سويت لها وشفتها جاي اشوفها.
ها طلعت هسه عندك اوكي، ما عندك
اي
مشكله.
موجوده
أطلع؟
موجوده
اقدر
اي
اطلع؟
موجوده. اي بس يوميه كانت اكبر من هذا بهواي.
لا
ما
هسه
ادري شنو
اوكي.
عندهم مشكله.
هسه مو هذا، هي مستخدمه مود ثاني هي ترتاح بالشرح بيه، فماكو مشكله.
اوكي ماكو مشكله.
يلا اوكي اوكي حبيبي، يلا توكل
حياك
بالله.
الله.
Excuse me. Please let me know. Am I
دكتور.
audible?
يس
Okay.
دكتور. اوكي.
Yes, yes.
يس
I'm audible. Okay.
now perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Presentation and sound. Thank you.
Every time that I should begin, please let me know.
Yes. Okay.
Excuse me? Am I audible?
Doctor, you can start now.
Oh, I can start now.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. My name is Faezeh Yazdani Moghaddam. I'm Assistant Professor in Department Biology, Faculty Science, Ferdowsi University of Mashhad in Iran, and one member of Zoological Innovation Research Department and Institute of Applied Zoology, and manager of Biological Design Company. Today we are gonna speaking about the biology. What is the biology? Biology is the study of life. In biology, everything is connected from the smallest unit to the earth as we know it. And all around us, there is so much left to discover. As I told you, in biology, everything is connected from biosphere, ecosystem, community, population, organism, organ system, organ, tissue, cell, molecules, atoms, and everything is connected in biology. First of all, I'm gonna speak about branches of biology and short speaking about each discipline. There are many disciplines in biology. One of them is cell biology. Cell biology is a branch of biology that studies the structure and function of the cell. As you know, cell biology or cellular biology or cytology. Molecular biology, that activity between molecules in the various system of cell, including interaction between DNA, RNA, protein, and the biosynthesis of them. Biochemistry, biological chemistry, study of chemical process among living organisms. Biophysics, this science applied approaches and methods traditionally used in physics to study biological phenomena. Embryology or developmental biology is the branch of biology that studied the parental development of gametes, fertilization and development of embryos and fetus. Also studied disorder known as teratology, developmental biology, or embryology. Genetics, concerned with study of the genes, genetic variation, and heredity in organisms, and a related discipline to this science is epigenetic, study of heritable phenotype changes that do not involve alternation in the DNA sequence. Epigenetics, genomics, and bioinformatics is an interdisciplinary field that develop method and software tools for understanding biological data. Bioinformatics, biotechnology, involving living system and organism to develop or make product or any technological application that uses biological system, living organism, or derivative thereof. Ecology or environmental biology, interaction among organism and environments. And zoology. I am a zoologist. Zoology is a branch of biology that studied the animal kingdom, including the structure, embryology, evolution, classification, habitats, and distribution of all animals, both living and extinct. Zoology is related to paleontology, evolutionary biology, biological systematics, or systematic study of diversification, living form, both past and present, and the relationship among living things through time. Taxonomy, phylogenetics. My field is zoology. I work on biosystematics and phylogenetic, and especially in taxon, aquatic taxon. Phylogenetic is the study of evolutionary history and relationship among individual and groups of animals. Phylogenetic and taxonomy and systematic and zoology is connected with each other. Ichthyology, branches of zoology to study of fish. Herpetology, branch of zoology, study of amphibians, including frog, toad, salamander, and caecilians. And reptile, amphibians and reptile is herpetology. Ornithology, study of bird. Mammalogy, study of mammals. Entomology, study of insects. Ethology, study of behavior of animal and evolutionary adaptive traits of them. Botany is the science of plant life. Microbiology, study of microorganisms. Bacteriology, branches of microbiology and biology that study the morphology, ecology, genetic, and biochemistry of bacteria. Mycology is a study of fungi. Phycology, scientific study of algae. Phytotomy, phytomorphology, study of plant, external or internal. And immunology, immunosystem, study of immunosystem. Physiology, scientific study of function and mechanism which work within a living system. As you see, anatomy, concerned with the study of the structure of organism and their parts. And surface anatomy, neuroscience, comparative anatomy, differences in anatomy of different species, neurochemistry, that is the study of chemical and neurogenetic, study the role of genetic in development of nervous system, all of them related to anatomy and nervous system. Cognitive neuroscience, scientific field that study biological process underlie cognition with a specific focus on neural connection in the brain. Then there are so many branches in biology: clinical neuroscience, neural engineering, biological anthropology. Anthropology is very important, is a scientific discipline concerned with the biological and behavioral aspect of human beings, their extinct hominin ancestor, and related not human primates, particularly from an evolutionary perspective, phylogeny of them. Okay, anthropology works on human beings and evolutionary perspective of humans. Biological engineering is very, very important discipline of biology. The tools of engineering to create usable, economically visible products. Biological engineering, biomechanic, structure and function of the mechanical aspect of biology system. Chronobiology, periodic or cyclic phenomena in living organisms and their adaptation to solar and lunar related rate. Cognitive biology, regard natural cognition as a biological function. Cryobiology, branches of biology that studies the effect of low temperature living things within Earth, and mathematical and theoretical biology. There are so many branches in biology. Mathematic model, a study of mathematic model, and investigate the principle of structure, development, and behavior of the system. Synthetic biology, multidisciplinary area of research of biology that already found in nature and device and system. New biological part, devices, and system. Redesign systems that are already found in nature. Astrobiology, concerned with origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in universe. And finally, biomimetics, that today we are gonna speak about biomimetics. Biomimetics is the imitation of the model, system, and element of nature for the purpose of solving complex human problems. Biomimetic and bioinspiration design is bioinspiration design is studying the structure and function of biological system as model as designing or engineering the new material and machines. It's widely regarded as being synonym with biomimicry, biomimesis, biognosis, and similar to biomimetics. Bioinspiration and biomimetic synonyms. These terms derived from Greek word and multi-scale structure of biological material exhibit inherent multifunctional integration, and bio-inspired design uses these properties. What is biomimicry? Biomimicry is an approach to innovation that seeks attainable solution for human challenge by emulating nature time-tested pattern and strategy. The goal is to create product, process, new way of living that are well adapted to life on Earth over a long haul. The core idea of biomimicry is that nature has already solved many of the problems we are grappling with. Animal, plants, and microbes are the consummate engineers. After billions of years of research and development, failures of fossil and what surrounds us is the secret to survival. Bionic. Bionic, also called biometric or creative biological engineering. It is the collection of biological methods and systems existing in nature used in engineering and new technology. Beside bionic, biomimic, for the first time, Otto Schmidt, working as an astronomer project in Wright-Patterson station in USA, they recognized the bionic as the science of system based on living creature. Jenny Benius, a scientific observer from Montana, an American writer, coined the term of biomimicry. Also, she wrote the book Biomimicry and Innovation Inspired by the Nature. Biology Wonders. Do you know who designed the most complicated subway route map ever? Urban designer, city planner, railway engineer? No. Slime mold. Actual rail network, slime tubule network. inspired from nature. Biology is important. You think the most complicated subway routes map ever, one biology person designed it. Gecko's feet. Gecko is one of reptiles, and the feet of geckos used in nanostructures. Another example of biomimicry you can see in lizard, also bioprinting, 3D printer for kidney, for another organs in the human, bioprinting, 3D bioprinting, and so on. Biological design, design by biology, biology-based design, zoology-based design. Mary Oxman is architecture, biology-based designer, professor at the MIT Media Lab, where she led the mediated matter research group. She is known for art and architecture that combine design, biology, computing, and material engineering. Then, biology is the interdisciplinary major. Silk Pavilion by Bombix Mori. There are examples of the application of the inspiration from nature. Silkworm, ability to generate a 3D cocoon out of a single multi-property silk thread, 1 kilometer in length. 26 polygonal panels made of silk thread. CNC, computer numerically controlled machine. As you see, is the picture of these meta mesh. Another example of biomimicry, you can see inspiration from the nature, from an organism, from the bat, from the bird. From the bird, you can see the tray, boxcar. Inspired. And bio art. Some example of bio art, glass microbiology, for example, interrelationship between microbiology and art. In many exhibitions, you can see glass microbiology. Okay, a glass microbiology, as you see, this is the viruses and agar art. This is agar and micro culture in this, and this is agar art. Marine art, marine organism, painting of them, and many exhibitions. Okay. Another thing is designing the structure of the human brain and bionic. As you see, this is some picture from my products in our company, in biological design company. that it's a human brain. This is a model designing the structure of neuron in biomimetic architecture model. And this is the neuron park as a molecular park. Interior design of neuron park. Wonder station based on a scientific fact for ant. This is modeling of the wonder of ant. This is product in ant wonder station store. This is the product of our company. This is one exhibition about ant and other organisms that we produce in the Ferdowsi University and other places. As you see, jewelry-based design. This is dopamine. Dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin is the one. All of them are biological molecules. Then in jewelry-based design, we use inspired from biomolecules, and this is the some product in our company. This is dopamine molecules. This is leaf inspired jewelry design. All of this is our product about biomimetics, biomimicry, bionic. This is with stone. All of them is the first one is acetylcholine. Second one is dopamine, serotonin, and design with stone. Fossils, jewelry-based design. This is some souvenir that we produce in our company for from the bones, and some students, students paint on it. Okay, for souvenir. The heart tissue of the animals. Animal-based design. This is one exhibition in Ferdowsi and in another place that we, this is, all of them are my students. And this is my website in my company, Biomine Design, and my company address, and this is my address. Thank you very much for your attention. I have a message for you, especially to biology students. Science is more, so much more than tests. If we can use science in your thinking, and if you can learn to think scientifically and critically, you will be a smarter and a richer person. We can learn to think scientifically. We can learn to think critically. So demand that from your university. Demand that from your education system, and demand that from yours. And most importantly, don't let tests tell you what you do, and do not care about the test in biology. Learning biology is hard, but it is also really, really important. I think we are doing it wrong. I think we can do it better. And in fact, I think we must do it better. Thank you very much for attention. Okay, I'm at your service. If you have any question, I'm here. Am I audible? Please type in chat box. Am I audible? Could you see my slides? Please let me know through chat box. Okay, 53% are here. Chat with everyone. If you have any question, you can type it in chat box. Excuse me. Let me know, am I audible? Please type in chat box if I am audible. Okay. I can see all of you.
العفو اساتذتنا طلابنا تقدرون تحجون اياها الدكتوره اذا واحد عنده اسئله عنده شيء استفسار هي حاضر انه يجاوبكم. العفو.
Okay, thank you. الصوت لا يعمل ما أعرف فائزة يعني فقط.
لا no دكتوره this your sound very good.
Oh, okay.
No
because
problem.
one of person write الصوت لا يعمل ما أعرف. I don't know why, because I think my sound is okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you Doctor. Thank you Doctor. Your presentation and was very good and helpful. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much too. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Abdullah
Bye.
الصوت واضح. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. مع السلامة. في أمان الله.
Okay, if you haven't any question, if you have question, please let me know.
Yes.
And if you haven't question, I can't leave here.
Okay.
Because I think the time is over.
العفو اساتذتنا طلابنا يسمعونا؟ اذا اكو واحد يسمعنا؟
نعم.
الحمد لله.
نعم.
الحمد لله. اذا اكو اسئله او استفسارات تقدرون الدكتوره تقول عندي وقت وتقدر تجاوبكم.
Okay, any question? Okay, thank you very
حتى
much.
ما عندكم شيء جاوبوها حتى لا تظل مثليه تسال. اي واحد يجاوب لا ما عندنا اسئله.
No question.
Okay, if you haven't any question, I tell you خدا حافظ.
ان شاء الله.
Okay.
الله يحفظك. ان شاء الله. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for it. خدا حافظ.
في امان الله. طلابنا راح ادزكم الرابط مال التسجيل الحضور اذا تحبون تفوتوا عليه وسجلوا.
تمام دكتور.
ان شاء الله. بالشات تلقونه دزيت لكم رابط، مجرد تنقلون عليه وديكم الاستماره وتقدرون تسجلون حضوركم. شاكرين حضوركم واستماعكم، ان شاء الله
تمام
استفاديكم
وصل
من
دكتور
المحاضرة.
واضح.
ان شاء الله.
إن شاء الله.
ان شاء الله بالتوفيق
شكرا
للجميع ان شاء الله.
دكتور.